In this video, we are going to understand React props. We'll explore what props are and how they allow us to pass data between different components in our React applications. Props are essentially arguments passed to React components. Think of them as a way to send data from a parent component to its child components. They enable a one-way data flow, making it clear how data is being used within your application. It is important to remember that props are read-only, meaning a component cannot modify its own props. Props are immutable and direct modification breaks React's data flow. So, it is essential to avoid changing props directly within a component. Let's look at a basic example. Here is a welcome function component that accepts props as a parameter. Inside the component, we can access a specific prop such as name using props.name. Then we have an app function component that renders the welcome component and passes a prop called name with the value Alice. For cleaner syntax, we can use destructuring. Instead of accessing props.name, props.age, and props.email individually, we can destructure these properties directly from the props object in the function parameter list. It allows us to directly use the name, age, and email variables within the component. You can also define default values for props. In this example, if the text or color props are not provided to the button component, they will default to the values click me and blue respectively. So when the button component is used without any props, it will use the default values. Props can accept various JavaScript data types. It can be a string for passing textual data like name equals John, number for numeric values like age equals 25, boolean for true or false values like is active equals true, arrays for lists of values like items equals an array containing 1, 2, and 3, objects for complex data like user equals an object with an ID of 1, and even functions for event handlers like onClick equals handler. Here are some key takeaways from this video. Props enable data flow from parent to child components. Props are read-only and cannot be modified by the child component. Use destructuring for cleaner and more readable code. And finally, props can be of any JavaScript type, allowing you to pass a wide range of data to your components. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.